Hello and welcome. Welcome to the Poetic Pages. For today, the I Am poem. The I Am poem is a poem of voice. Written in the first person, it invites the poet to speak from within, to name identity, emotion, and truth. This form opens a wide field of freedom. Lines may gather or drift. Rhythm may rise through repetition and breath. The poem often moves in free verse, shaped by sincerity and presence. Many I Am poems return to a simple phrase: I am, I see, I feel. These repetitions build rhythm and confidence. They allow the voice to emerge gradually, layer by layer, truth meeting truth. The roots of the I Am poem reach into the 19th century lyric poetry. In moments of deep reflection, John Clare wrote poems titled I Am, exploring memory, belonging, and the inner life. Later, Walt Whitman expanded the first-person voice outward in Song of Myself. The individual voice becomes expansive, capable of holding many experiences at once. Around the same time, Emily Dickinson offered another expression of selfhood. Her poems speak quietly and clearly, revealing identity through insight, humility, and awareness. In the 20th century, Langston Hughes joins in dialogue with Whitman's expansive I, answering it with lived truth: I too am America. In poems such as I Too and Theme for English B, the first person becomes grounded in experience, dignity, and belonging. At the same time, Sylvia Plath turns the I Am inward. In poems like I Am Vertical, identity becomes a question of being, intimate, tense, and searching. Years later, Maya Angelou carries the dialogue forward when she declares, I am and I rise. The I is no longer only claimed, it is embodied, remembered, and lifted into resilience. Today, the I Am poem continues to evolve. It appears in journals and classrooms, in moments of becoming and reflection. Writers may speak as themselves or step into another voice, human, imagined, or symbolic, to practice empathy and understanding. The I Am poem endures because it gives language to being, because naming the self brings clarity, because voice, once spoken, creates connection. The I Am poem, it reminds us that identity is worth exploring, that truth grows through honesty, that saying I am is an act of courage and creation. Hey, just to let you know, there's a short quiz on this form linked in the description, and a book too if you want to go deeper. Thank you so much for watching and joining me. Until next time, stay charmed.